this clutch pedal because it's scraped and ripped. Let's see if I can get you a shot of it. As y'all see the spring, and it's not holding the pedal. So we're replacing this whole bracket. And so let's get to it. As y'all can see, I gotta take that pin out, move that rod. 2 screws that's holding the cylinder on, and then there's 2 screws up there. They look like they're 12s or 10s, but they on top of it. So let's get to it. And the key out. So let's take the key out. So we're gonna take the key. Okay, we got it on. Both plugs. Are unhooked. So now I got 2 screws at the top up there. Gotta try to get out up there on top of the spring. Those 2 bad boys right there. Gotta come out. And the 2 on the outside. So let's get it. I had to remove this little black box. So now those are the screws right there that need to come out. Okay, I got it out. I took the 2 screws out. They sit right up in there. As you can see, the cylinder is just still dangling. Those 2 screws up there, they wasn't that bad. You got the plugs on this one, and you got this one. So here, these 2 is on hooked to that. Okay, give you guys some comparisons. Hold on. See these springs? You see how they wobbled out the hole? That's these did. But I also see, like, this one must have came off a truck. This one off a car. So this spring, you see the difference in the springs. So we'll just put it on and see what we got. Now we got all the sensors changed out. Now all you gotta do is just reverse the steps and put it back in there. So we're reversing the steps. So put it in. I got the top bolt on. And do the bolt in at the bottom. Get it tight. And what you need to be. That's a good one. Now we're about to plug these plugs up. But put one in the back and the one in the front. Try to hang this wire back up. Now we better put this rod back on the pedal. So y'all hold on. The pedal is standing up straight, bouncing back. We about to drive. About to drive the car. Clutch feeling nice. So we about to drive, man. Oh my. Been a minute since I drove stick shift. Put your seatbelt on, you guys. Put the bow, my people. Got my gun on my waist. Okay. Let's go for it. I told y'all I ain't drove that thing in a minute. I ain't drove it in a minute. Hope it's engaged at the top. And that's how you put the pedal in, man. That thing feel nice. It's engaged at the top more now. Ooh, I ain't drove a stick shift in so long, my people. But she's driving. She's driving. People always putting trash in the middle of the circle. Yeah, they put trash out here. They're going around the trash field, y'all. Hope y'all can see me shift that. She's shifting. She's shifting. We're gonna take on the main road. Man, it smells good in this car. And that's how you work, that's how you change the clutch pedal. You know? You be done with it and keep it moving. Be done with it. Ooh, whoa, where we out to? Let me stop. No copyright.